So hi everyone, welcome to this video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the process I went through on how I got my letter of acceptance from Centennial College. So if you can see right here on my screen, I just simply went through google.com and then searched for Centennial College, and from here you can, it would give you the very first option or the very first result that was provided to you by Google, and you can just simply click on the link. So you'll get routed to the landing page of the college website or official website. So from here, just simply scroll down a little bit and then look for those offerings or programs eligible for international students or future international students. And from here, you could also, you do have the choices or the options for you to choose from. So just simply try or browse according to your interests, like the program that you wanted to take at Centennial College, or you can just simply click on the international button right there, so for future international students. And so from here, this is the entire process on how you can obtain your letter of acceptance from the institution. So this would walk you through on how to apply. So first option here, or step one, is of course you need to choose your program, and then next is you need to complete your online application, and then lastly you need to email those documentations sent to you by whoever within your region. So I think they had specifically assigned a specific group or like an email managed by each region. So for example, my region, I'm in Asia Pacific in the Philippines. So there is this specific region that handles all of the applications in the Philippines. So that's how they manage all of the applications that they got. Okay, from this page specifically, like when you lodge or when you trigger like an email to them applying for your letter of acceptance. So right here you can go through choosing your program from various and different options right here. So you do have, you've got a lot actually. So if you're into business, you can choose business, and if you're information technology, you can use, or you can choose from these options. And also from here, there are the field of studies or areas of study. And it will also give you the name of the program, the length, the credential that you'll be getting right after your studies, and then what campus is actually facilitating this type of program. So there's really a lot of here, just to narrow down into what you're really interested with taking in this institution. Then you can, I'll try checking it right here using this, the filter for business. So I have here all of the offerings Centennial College has for those business related courses. So here you can see a lot of offerings related to business. So you can just simply try checking right here what are the requirements, what are the yeah so you would also be able to view here the start date, those kind of stuff, and then the availability of the program. So we're close to January or the winter intake, so obviously it's already closed. They no longer have availability for winter intake, this upcoming winter intake in January. Okay, so you've got a lot of information here where you can browse and you can read through before you finally decide which programs you wanted to take, and then anything entirely on that particular program. They had all those details right here. And if this is not enough for you, or you need to check from the from them, you can directly reach out to them using that email address that I've shown you earlier. Alrighty, so this is how to browse or how to choose your program, and really this is up to your interest, right? And then what you really wanted to take at Centennial College. So on the next step, so as soon as you already decided which program you wanted to take, so you would now get to the next step. The next step is applying or submitting your application. So step two is Centennial College online application. So you can just simply click on here, and then if you're a new applicant, then you can simply click on the apply button, and then you have here what kind of application are you trying to lodge or to trigger at this point. These are the information that this system or this tool would be asking from you, so you might want to prepare for those details. So you have your personal information, mailing address, available programs, citizenship and immigration status, this kind of stuff. So international applicants, okay, we're good with that. Applicant year, so this is going to be your desired intake, like the term that you're going to study or start your education journey at Centennial College. So you can just simply click on next here. So from here, you just need to simply provide all of the information. So I'm not going to go through all this because these are very straightforward and self-explanatory. You can just simply uh, complete all of the details required here, okay? And then you will be, so after signing up, after providing all of your information, you would just need to wait for an email from Centennial College. So as I mentioned earlier, when we try to navigate, going back here, once you finish, okay, you complete this entire process, providing all of the information as an applicant here, you will be contacted to one of these email addresses right here. Okay, it depends on your region. So if for example myself, I'm from the Philippines, so I should be getting a notification coming from this. It could be this and then this, because I fall under these two email addresses. I'm from Asia and the Pacific. Alrighty, so yeah, as soon as you provided all of your details, you should be expecting an email coming from this. Alrighty, so once you have that, you will be guided with all of the documentations that they are requiring you to provide. So, based on my experience, I was asked to provide with my recent resume, up the most updated one with your experiences if you're already working, your resume. So anything about your work experience, your education experience, so you just might want to explore how to present your resume or how to create resume. You can, I'm not good with that, so please don't expect me to provide an example. And so another thing that they had asked me is to fill out the the form. So they had provided me a different form for me to fill out. So anything about you, related to you, contact information, very basic information that they are actually asking from you, and that includes your first and second choice of program. Okay, so yeah, that's how I did it, and I can also give you like an actual document that I've sent to them, but I'll check that out and show it to you. Hold on. All right, so moving on to how I got my, like, after sending my application, after doing this Centennial College online application, as I walk you through. Yeah, after completing this form, I received this email from the Centennial College team. So these are the documentation. Okay, the following are the requirements for school application. And so they have iterated it here, right here. So the application form, we will discuss this later in this video. And then second is your high school diploma or graduate certificate and transcript of records. And third is your college university diploma or your transcript of records. So basically, two and third are your history, educational history or background. And then your English proficiency results. This is either um IELTS if you've already taken one, or your CELPIP if you've already taken. However, they also consider letter of English as medium of instruction from both your high school and college. And lastly, your resume. So you just need to have your resume updated, and then yeah, send it over to them along with the other documentations or certificates that they are requiring you to send. Alrighty, so these are basically all of the documentations that they had asked me to send over to them. And as soon as you have that, you can go ahead and respond back to this email. So the email that you've received as after you send out your application via the portal or via their website, like from here. Okay. So this is the Centennial College application form. So this is very straightforward. You just need to fill it out. So your basic information about yourself. You need to provide your permanent mailing address right here. Email address is very important because this is where they would send all of the communications to you. And yes, hold on. So basis for admission consideration. Okay. So they're just going to, yeah, as I mentioned earlier, if you've already taken your IELTS, if not, that's fine. I didn't take IELTS as well. So right here, they would ask you for the programs that you're interested to take at Centennial College. And if in case you had used, maybe you asked somebody for help, like agency, you might want to authorize them. But for my application, I had completed everything on my own, so I didn't bother to fill it out, like fill all this stuff. Okay, so this is again very straightforward form. You just need to simply fill it out and then send it over to them along with the other documentations that they are requesting from you. Okay, so for the application, there is no application fee, it's completely free. However, you will get your letter of acceptance after you paid the deposit, because there is this deposit amount that you need to settle. But they would first, okay, it really up to you if you would accept the offer. It's like notifying you that you were accepted to the institution. However, for them to provide you or to release your letter of acceptance documentation that you will be soon use it on your student visa application, you will need to pay this 2,650 Canadian dollars deposit fee, and this will get credited to your student profile and will be deducted to your total tuition fee for that particular program. So, yeah, if you would come to think of it, it's the application itself is totally free. It's just that for you to secure your slot on that particular program, you need to secure it by paying the deposit of $2,650. And when your letter of acceptance is already handy and ready for them to release to you, they would send you another notification for that, for to give you a date range or this turnaround time for you to get back to them with your receipts that you already paid your deposit. Alrighty, so this is notification of being accepted uh to the institution. So yeah. So thank you for waiting. Kindly see the attachments for the letter of acceptance. The payment will be posted in 2 to 3 weeks, and receipt will be sent automatically to the student's personal email account or my Centennial. So yes, so what are the documents that will be sent over to you once your letter of acceptance is sent? So of course the document itself, and then some other stuff or some other documentations are those essential information or details when you get started at the university or the school or the college in the future. And these are like housing, rents, how to get around the area, those kind of information. So far, even if I haven't started yet, I can sense heartwarming support and assistance that Centennial team is actually uh, providing to their applicants or their future students. So nice one, nice one. So it's just the experience that I'm sharing, though I haven't started yet. So these are all the information that I can share, like the details I had experienced myself firsthand. And if you do have questions other than this, you might want to reach out to them directly. Alrighty, so I think that's all from my side, and thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a good one. Bye.